So right now, we're going to talk about the fundamental theorem of algebra, which is learning target 6. It says, I can predict the maximum number of zeros of a polynomial function using the fundamental theorem of algebra. So a summary of the fundamental theorem of algebra says that every nth degree polynomial has at most n real solutions. So right here where it says nth degree, that's any number. It could be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, every whatever number degree polynomial has at most that many real roots or solutions. So based on this fundamental theorem of algebra then, tell how many real roots or solutions or x-intercepts each function could possibly have. Well, this polynomial has a degree of 4 because that is the term with the biggest degree. That's the degree of that term, is 4. Which means that this polynomial could have at most 4 solutions. And that what that would look like is, if this is the x-axis, it could go down, up, down, up. Okay, a 4th degree polynomial is going to switch directions 4 times. It's going to go down, and then it's going to go up, and then it's going to go down, and then it's going to go up. It's going to have 4 different directions. This one has a degree of 1. So it's going to have, at most, 1 solution. And if you think about what the x-intercept is, here's the x-intercept. That's just going to be a line right there. There's our 1 solution. Because it has a degree of 1, this function just goes in one direction. It never changes to a different direction. This has a degree of 3. So it's going to have, at most, 3 solutions. And if you think about this is the x-intercept, it's going to go in 3 different directions. Maybe it's going to go down, down, or up, down, up. Let's think of do that. Okay, so go down, up, down. To get at most 3 solutions. This one also has a degree of 3. So here's my x-intercept. It's going to be the same thing. Down, up, down. Okay, so there's 3 different directions. And here it has a degree of 7. So it's going to have, at most, 7 solutions. And if here's my x-intercept, that means that it's going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7. So there's going to be 7 different directions there. It goes up and then down, and then up and then down, and then up and then down, and then up. So there's 7 different ways that function is going at different times. And that is the fundamental theorem of algebra. Now it doesn't have to have that many solutions. You could have a cubic function that looks like this, in which case it only has 1 solution. And then these 2 don't result in a solution depending on where that function is shifted. So it's possible that it has less than 3 solutions, but it can't have any more than 3. Same thing over here. It's possible for it to have less than 7 solutions, but it can't have any more than 7. Same thing here. It's possible for it to have less than 1 solution if you have one that looks like this. So here's the x-axis. There's the line. That has 0 solutions, but it can't have any more than 1 solution. And the same thing here. It can have less than 4, but it can't have any more than 4. The fundamental theorem of algebra says it has at most 4, at most 1, at most 3, and at most 7 solutions.